Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be making marinara sauce, so stay tuned. Okay, so we have here one whole stack of celery. We have a half cup of oil, vegetable oil, one diced onion, half cup of carrots, and the seasonings that I will be using is garlic powder, red pepper, crushed red peppers. You don't have to use it, it's totally optional. Salt, pepper, onion powder, minced garlic, or you can use 2 garlic cloves, and I also have crushed red tomatoes, but I have the can with basil in it. If you do not have the can with basil in it, then you should use about 2 bay leaves. It's not up here, but I also incorporated a half cup of sugar. You guys will see that as the video goes along, that I added a half cup of sugar. So make sure you add a half cup of sugar, and it'll also be in the description below. Okay, so go ahead, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss any tips or videos. Always make sure you add your onions first and let them cook for about 1 to 2 minutes before you add your garlic. Never add your garlic first because you do not want it to burn. Once you've let your onions and garlic sit for a little while, you're going to go ahead and add your vegetables. You're going to give it a nice good mixture, and then you're going to cover them for about 5 minutes or until soft as well. Okay, so once your veggies has been cooking for about 5 minutes, you're going to give it a nice quick stir, and then you're going to add your tomato sauce and your seasonings. In my seasonings, I ended up incorporating some sugar, about a half cup of sugar in mine, just so the marinara sauce won't be too acidic. So make sure you go ahead and add that half cup of sugar. Do not worry. Everything will be in the description below, so make sure you check out the description below. And here we are. I'm just going to remove these bay leaves and continue to stir it a little bit more before I go ahead and set it to the side for cool off and can it, or you can even use it just right now for whatever you're making. But thank you all for tuning into this video. There will be more videos to come, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. Share it with the world and stay tuned for the next video.